Hey guys, it's you know, Bella or Izzy, whatever you want to call me. Um, since we've pretty much only posted one video, which was originally on my account together, I'm gonna post one here, and it's gonna be like a mukbang or whatever they're called. So I am like so hungry, so I'm gonna be a fat butt. You know what I'm saying? So we got DoorDash and we ordered abuelas, abuelos. I don't know. And I got myself a tortilla soup. Oh God, it's leaking. Jesus Christ. Okay, well that's wonderful. I've got some chicken yakisoba. I just got it from a convenience store. It's just like the Maruchan ramen noodles, but yakisoba. You know what I'm saying? I keep saying that. My dad got some chimichangas. They're chicken. He's asleep over there on the table though, cause he's tired. Right here are the tortilla strips for the soup. My soup. Got some tortilla chips, cause I think there's queso, but that's what I'm standing my phone on. And right here, we've got our freaking fire noodles. Like, I'm gonna do this. And so, forgive me for being fat. Anyways, I guess I should just get started. I don't really know how to do these. I've never posted anything like this before. But, oh, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna put some sour cream. I'll put the tortilla strips in there. Just like there. Thank you, DoorDash. Thank you, Abuelas. And no, I'm not being sponsored. I just, why not try it, Good to open your comfort zone circle. You know what I mean, I hope. My spoon. God, this looks so good. Like, I think my favorite soup of all time is probably tortilla soup. Or chicken noodle. But, oh wait, or menudo. Or pozole. You know what? Let's not get too much into it. They're so good. I've never had them before, or abuelas, but they're good. So far from what I know. That's good stuff. Oh, crap, I only have 8 minutes. Oh, that's so great. I guess I just gotta try a little bit of everything before the video ends. They're just plain noodles. I didn't want to put the dehydrated vegetables in there. They're not my favorite, so, The last time I got one of these, it was a teriyaki yakisoba. Oh, so good. Like, so good. That's delicious. I don't know that I want to try these fire noodles again. They're so hot. I'm just gonna eat some more of this. You really gotta get this, but I don't know where they sell them other than here. And then we're gonna have some more of this. I guess I'll take a bite of the fire noodles when the video's about to end. If you've never had, what's it called? What is this soup called again? I can't believe. Tortilla soup, yeah. If you've never had it, you should really, really try it. It's so good. I want to try that chimichanga, but I've got enough food, and I think my dad needs some too. I need a napkin. Being messy. Okay. And I've got some sweet tea right here. Good stuff. Here we go. Anyways, how are you guys? I hope 2021 is treating you well so far. My dad's waking up. Run. Okay. Since there's about 6 minutes left, I guess I'll take a bite of these fire noodles. Gotta mix in like the nori and the sesame seeds. I don't want to take a big bite. I'm honestly scared right now. I'm just trying to enjoy my food. Not really trying to do challenges, but I was really craving noodles, if you can't tell. So you know. Yeah, those are just as bad. The first time. God bless it. Anyways, I guess that's it. Peace out. I wish my dad could have been in the video, but he's sleeping. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys later.